Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting the work area and exposing one corner. This is where you learn how the sticker will release. Use a hair dryer on medium heat to warm adhesive. Move in 6/8-inch sweeps to avoid wall damage. Once warm, lift an edge with a fingernail or plastic scraper. You want a small tab to pull steady. If it resists, reapply heat. You do this because heating softens adhesive bonds, allowing the sticker to peel off in long strips instead of tearing into sticky pieces. You now perform the controlled peel. Pull the sticker back at roughly a 45 degrees angle in one steady motion to reduce adhesive left behind. If the paper tears, stop and reheat that section until the backing lifts cleanly. For stubborn residue, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol or commercial remover. Let it soak 1-2 minutes, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. Make sure to test solvents on an inconspicuous patch first. This prevents finish damage while giving you finish by washing the wall with warm water and mild detergent to remove oils and solvent traces. Rinse and dry thoroughly to prevent watermarks. If paint came off, sand the edge smoothly and apply a primer before repainting. This restores adhesion and color match. If stubborn adhesive remains, repeat targeted solvent application and gentle scraping. Patience reduces damage. One troubleshooting tip: when paint peels excessively, stop and switch to a slower heat method, or consult a pro to avoid creating a larger repair job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.